Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the main difference between a normal business and a firm. Right, so this video is mainly for my aspiring lawyer friends, judges, to be, and our future legal practitioners, as they call you. So basically, a firm is different from a normal business in this sense. There's an aspect of receiving other people's money. So in a normal business, we have a normal accounting cycle, which starts from recording of the transactions all the way up to decision making. So that is entirely for the business. But when you're now dealing with a firm is this thing that they call trusts, right? Where the firm is entrusted by where it's entrusted by clients. Certain clients come in, then they entrust monies to the firm. That's the main difference, and that's the part which causes a big difference between a normal business and a firm. Just that part, right? So we have what we call the business. There's the business part, right? Which is which you have your business bank account, business cash receipts, cash receipts journal, business cash payments journal. The works, you know all these things, I'm sure you understand, and stuff like cash receipts. All cash transactions are recorded in the cash receipts, or cash payments are recorded in the cash payments. Wara. So now when you're dealing with the trust, it's slightly different. You just have to be at a place and position where you understand, okay, these funds are regarding a trust. A trust, just from the general English definition, I'm trusting you with my money. Basically, that's basically it. So as you are now trusted with the money, you now have a duty which is according to sections and stuff which you're going to be studying about this. Sections and stuff about the lawyer, your money, the monies now have to be split. There are basically almost 3 ways of accounting for it, but the easiest, which is the most common, is having separate books, where we have the trust cash payment, because you now have something like the trust cash payment journal, the trust cash receipts journal, the trust bank account. So it's almost still the same, but the difference is this is now people's money, this is the business money. So you just have to be alert and what can I call it, like listen carefully to what they'll be asking you in your scenario, in your question, to be able to differentiate, okay, is this a business transaction? Is this a trust-related transaction? Is this a business-related transaction? Is this a trust-related transaction? Remember, if the money is in a trust, it's not ours. So because it's not ours, it's almost like a liability. It is a liability, actually. It is a liability. We are liable for that money, meaning whatever balance you have, that's where that term trust creditors comes into play. Creditors, it increases on the liability side, decreases on the debit side. So that understanding that there's going to be a split between business transactions and there are going to be trust transactions, that understanding alone is going to help you progress further, because as we continue, there are going to be transfers which are going to be happening, and there are going to be certain rules which govern transfers from the trust creditors into the client's account and stuff, all that. But before you get to all of that, have an understanding that in a firm, we're going to have the business side of things, which is our postage, stationery, office rental, wages and salaries, and what have you, of the general staff and stuff as a normal business. Then we're also going to have the part of the trust where we are handling other people's monies. So that is separate. Where we handle the other people's monies, we're treating it as a liability. On our side, these are expenses and stuff. So please, you are not allowed to take drawings from the trust, from people's monies. It's a never. The never is bold in your study guide. So it's just that you just have to have the consciousness as you do the questions that this is for the business, this is for the trust, and you won't have any problems with it. Thank you so much for taking time to listen to this video. Thanks again for watching the video. Remember, like, subscribe, share. All the best with your studies.